Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve one-step equations part 2. Go watch part 1 before you do this one, okay? In part 1, I mentioned that when you multiply or divide, sometimes it gets a little tricky. And so I made a video where I just talk about that, okay? We solve these just like we're solving an equation, but when we multiply or divide by a negative, we have to flip our sign over in the middle. I'm going to write that at the bottom over here. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, flip the inequality sign. Flip the inequality sign. Okay, so let's look at this one. Negative 4 times x. We divide by negative 4 to get the x by itself. I divided by a negative. I have to flip this sign over. So it was less than. Now it's going to be greater than. And then I am going to graph it. Just make sure you read the directions. Sometimes your teacher's going to say solve. Sometimes they're going to say solve and graph. I'm going to do both just so we cover all of our options. This gets a closed circle because it is equal to. And then we use all the numbers that are greater than, so that's to the right. And feel free to plug in a number to check it. I highly encourage you to do that. It at least tells you if you're on the right track or not. Number 2, x divided by negative 3. To undo divide, I have to multiply. And I'm multiplying by a negative number. I'm multiplying by negative 3. That means I have to flip the sign. I also don't love how this one looks. It's harder to graph when the variable is on the right side. So let's flip the whole thing over. It's eating the negative 15. It still needs to eat the negative 15, okay? And then we graph negative 14, negative 15, negative 16. So that's going to give me an open circle, and we are shading less than. And you can always grab a number and plug it in to the original and check and see if you're on the right track. Remember, when you are multiplying or dividing by a negative sign, flip the inequality sign. And then I like to have the variable on the left side when I graph. Makes it easier. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We would love to set up some online tutoring sessions with you with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always see the latest and greatest content when we post it. Have a great day.